The Xiaomi Redmi A5 4G is currently in a rather weird spot. Technically, it hasn't been formally announced yet, but it is already selling in stores in Bangladesh. Frankly, we can't say for sure whether it will get an official unveiling of any kind, but in the meantime we have heard that it is already gearing up to make its way to Europe. This could be under the Poco C71 moniker, but regardless, it seems to be the same hardware. Some specs highlights include a 6.88-inch, 120Hz, 720p plus LCD rated for 1500 nits of brightness, a Unisoc T7250 chipset alongside LPDDR4X RAM and eMMC 5.1 storage. In Bangladesh, the phone comes in two configurations, 464GB for BDT 11006/128GB for BDT 13000. Other specs include a 32MP main camera and an 8MP selfie. There is also a 5200 mAh battery on board, with support for 18W charging. The Redmi A5 4G also has a side-mounted fingerprint reader, Bluetooth 5.2, a Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack, plus a microSD expansion slot. All of this is housed inside a 171.7 by 77.8 by 8.26mm, 193G body. The phone boots Android 15 Go edition. As per the source, the European market might just get a storage tier that is unlike the ones we already mentioned, 4GB, plus 128GB for €149. We aren't sure if a charger is included in this price. The Bangladesh units seem to come with a 15W charger.